So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your screen sharing on WhatsApp is just not working. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. If you open up WhatsApp and you're in a video call and you cannot screen share, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is seeing if WhatsApp has all the privileges that it needs to actually screen share. So what you can do is open up your settings application, find the WhatsApp application. So try to find it on your phone and try to make sure that it has like the certain privileges to, maybe background data refresh, your camera application, things like that. So make sure it has these types of things. If it doesn't have it, sometimes that can cause some issues. Now the next thing you want to do is to try to see if, you can update the WhatsApp application. So sometimes there can be some random issues that have happened before. So what you can do is go inside of your app store just like this. And all you're going to want to do here is search up for WhatsApp. So search up WhatsApp, try to find the WhatsApp application, and then what you're going to want to do is open it up. Now what you want to do here is you want to click on this update button, which is right here, and all you're going to want to do here is try updating the WhatsApp application. For a lot of people, this might end up fixing it too, and you just want to see if that ends up fixing it. If you update it and it's still not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to reinstall this application. So you might want to try, going through, deleting WhatsApp or removing it and reinstalling this application. Back up all the data and back up everything that you need to beforehand, but try seeing if that can end up fixing it too. If that still doesn't do it, try restarting your phone. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. The like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.